So I'm getting ready to remove these stickers. It's a new car. You know how that goes. We got to take the stickers off and it leaves the residue. A couple tools that I have. I got my scraper tool. I got the famous Orange Power. I have a Clean Korea clean towel. And I also have a Clean Korea small duo. And I also have ASC for my neutralizer and for my window cleaner. So I used the scraper and I already got it started. And it didn't do too good, so this sticker's on there. I'm gonna try to get it off with my hand. Oh, this one's gonna play. This one wants to play.
Yeah, they said they tried to take it off already and it was getting nasty.
All right.
Is it tinted?
No. Factory, no, maybe factory tint.
Be careful.
Oh yeah, this is a nasty one.
Oh man.
Oh, this is rough, son. This one is rough.
Okay. We'll come back. We're going to work on this and then we're going to come back and show you how the adhesive remover works. Okay, so
Orange Power, that's how much I put on there. I'm just going to work on it like that. I'm just going to let it rub. I'm just going to rub it in there, let it dwell in there for a little bit, see if that helps out. It's important not to get this this Orange Power on the leather. But you see it working, taking all the residue off it. Not so much the sticker though, so we know it works.
So we're going to go through slowly. As you can see, you got to be very patient. We're just moving slow and it's coming off like barely, but we got to be still. So I'm going to put the camera down and we'll be back to pull off the adhesive. Show you guys. Check it out. My man found his little groove. Look at him. Look at him working it off. Oh, snap. We'll link this tool in the description. You just gotta finesse it. Try to do all that tough guy stuff. Oh, careful. Gotta keep my hand away from that blade. I'm trying to hold the door in place for him so he's not fighting the movement of the...
Yes. Orange Power.
Just give me, you might as well just go get this. Easy. Slow and steady, baby. Slow and steady. All right, as you can see, all the adhesive. Real time. Transparency. Transparency.
The hardest part of the detail.
It's the hardest part of the detail. Look, you didn't even reapply any, huh?
Just the left one from the first one.
Shoot. He's working out with the leftovers. With the leftovers. Look at that. You guys know how nasty these are from the dealership. These things are gross from the dealership.
One more time with the tool.
Is that's not a...
That's it. No, that's it.
Okay.
I'll reapply this time.
And he's not showing you, but he's moving it to a different section of the towel. You're not going to want to put it on the same section of the towel. And you want to be careful because that towel's dropping stuff. So don't be afraid to use multiple towels. He's using Orange Power. Orange Power is the one where I would say, okay, you can reuse the towel. It's not going to be, it's a citrus base. It's strong, but it's not going to be as strong as something like Ulex. It's not going to be.
It's a little more forgiving. If I get it on here, I can react fast and get it off on the panel. If the Ulex gets on there, it's a wrap. All right.
Okay, so now what's the, now what are we doing, Sal?
So now.
Look at that. So adhesive's gone. There's a little bit of smearing. It's obviously not clean glass, but now.
So now I got ASC, all around surface cleaner, which is my favorite glass cleaner. Now I'm going to neutralize it and I'm going to clean it as well. One spray.
Almighty Clean going to work right here.
Flip this thing over on the clean side, dry side.
Voila. Gone.
Gone, streak free, no residue. ASC, Orange Power,
OPP.
and Clean Korea. The tag team. Grunt tail or dirty work?
Yeah, the clean. The clean. We got the tool right here. Oh, is that made in USA? Made in USA.
It's that $1.50.
Right there, made in USA. Made in USA. We got the clean Korea. They got the clean towel. We got the small duo drying towel. We got the Orange Power, and we got the ASC. That's the combo right there. You got details. You got KFC. You got details. You got details. You got KCX. You got clean. Man, you're winning. You're winning.